sunny day in Bruges. Wow, look at that. Yes, hi. We are now in Bruges and we are walking to where? Somewhere.
In Bruges.
One thing we noticed here is that their houses are really nice.
We're going to
Where?
Rosenhaugkai.
Tarungan na siya. Mabashtaan na siya. Wow, look at that. So nice. Yeah, their houses here are really pretty with different designs and materials. It's very peaceful also, no? Yeah. Look at that. So simple. Wow, look at that alley. It's nice to walk here. Kamot siguro na ako.
Dili subtitle na siya. Pwede balikan mo niyo.
Ano ra ko? Di ano oh.
Tuyo po na siya. Mo na po na siya yung ano.
Oo. Lisod sa.
Oo. Di na siya magtalikod.
Nay.
Ay, automatic din na siya.
Ha?
Kami na. Kay nakaset naman na mao ni ang kuan.
Dili, mo bali siya.
Mo ba balik?
Oh. Where are we? What is this, Charisse?
No, that's not
Is it the castle grounds? Look, it's so nice.
It's like a park.
Like a park. What do you call this park?
This is courtyard.
Wow.
Aaron's courtyard.
Oh, horses and carriage. Wow, so cool. Oh. These are the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse. They represent the end of the world. What? Tinta? Really? Oh, it's here. Rick. Okay, we cannot.
The 4 horsemen.
The 4 horsemen of the apocalypse: death, war, revolution. Death, war, revolution, and hunger. Oh, maybe this is death. This is war, revolution, and this is hunger. So, magsunod-sunod ra siguro taog na ay mga guide para makapanuta sa history. Gani wala na siya chika huy. Kabalo na kay mi unsa ni ingon pud sa ila. Aisha. Aisha in Bruges. Mine is vanilla.
Okay, I'll go with vanilla.
Aisha.
Hi. I'll have 2 vanilla and 1 chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah. Aisha believe. Ice cream, Aisha believe. Aisha ice believe. Wait.
And Aisha for you?
Yeah, for my vanilla for my vanilla for Yao for my delicious liquor. Yeah.
Picture. Bisa dila picture na ako. Dako no?
Yo, we mas dako ni og kuan. Mas dako og scoop kaysa dito sa amo. Or no.
Ano man ka na? Ano man ka na? Wag sa kayo. Tingwan sa inyo.
Modeng mo pa di ay. Oh, postcards. May mga pictures and cute figurines. Oh, so cute. Oh, chess pieces. Oh. Oh, souvenir shop in Bruges. Oh.
Kaya pa to. Uy, kani sa Brussels kay sikat ko ni. Bata
Ah.
ka
Cute. Oh. Cute. Oh, keychain. Keychain. Local Belgium waffles for €3. Wow. So delicious. Sprinkles. Hi, hello, waffles and strawberries. That's all. Yeah, only strawberries. Yeah. Here, card.
And one water, please.
Yeah, one water. Yeah. It's okay. Okay, thank you. No, no. Yeah, yeah. Thank, thank you so much. Thank you. Excuse me. Or no sugar. Strawberry first. Mm. Yeah, very sweet.
Lekker?
Lekker. Then the waffle.
Pila po taro ko sa inyong vlog. Oy! They are making a vlog.
Mm. Belgian waffle. Authentic Belgian waffle. You try.
Oh!
Then espresso.
Kit na ko siya. Kit na ko nila. Sorry, Pat. What is this?
Oh, lamia sa coffee eh.
I don't really like waffles. Pero yummy siya. Not
Yeah.
ano lang.
Good. Wow. Good food and
ng waffle.
good view.
Ato sa layo.
Yeah. Wow. There's already a lot of people now here in Bruges. Sana all. Sana all na videohan ako ng kiss. Mga suyaon. Ayaw na. I'm shy. Picture siya. Cutie. Cutie cherries. Nakadagyag ba? Wow. So fun. But I think you have to buy something. It's like a bar or a pub, something. Salsa de Bruges. Oh, it's Fiesta Latino 2024. Come on. Hi. Dun, 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 dun. I'm Renera, your Allison.
Go for Team Green!
No, for team. Black. Jack Harris.
Drag Harris! We have Vega!
Wow, it's so nice. Oh my gosh. Ang iski siya. Hi, we're here. Yeah. We're now entering the King's Landing.
Visit Allison.
Wow.
Going to visit Source.
Ooh, so nice. Wow. Wow. Wow, look siya. Oh, wow. Wow, as in. Look. Yeah, it's time to go home. Ghent and Bruges were really beautiful cities that you should not miss when you are in Belgium. They are just small cities, so everywhere is just walking distance, and you will really be amazed with their architecture and yeah, nice people. The waffle was really great, so perfect. You should come here when you are in Belgium. See you again. Yun man, manguli pa ta. Nag-joyride. Nag-joyride na mi guys. Ang tuyog na namang Netherlands. Lahi na nga bus. Ang lahi na nga train station. May wala may kabalo. Among guide. Na-wrong na among guide.
Wrong na, nawala sa passing.
Alas 11 na guys.
Meron kag HSG ay ang atong dili day sentral.
Guys, wala pa may nakainom. Ano yan? Pero,
Tignan ko anong gutom na.
si Angel nga murag ni Dagan na daw miya. Nangutan na siya kinsay na ni Dagan kami ba or ang kalaban nga diha. Si kalaban.
Isa magkalaban na to. Ito yung away na ko.
Murag ako nalay sane dire guys. Kaya ako'y nakabasa nga umaw ni. Si Charis na wrong na. Mag-nail pa mi og another ba? Ay, mag-backfits pa rin si Charissa. Siya katulog sa tiyan. Ako na lang kayo ang kwan siya. Tudluin ako. Siya katulog sa tiyan. Pag napnat siya. Bitaw.
Siya,
ya.
ako na lang kayo magbanya.
Duwara pa mi.
Uy, pag sure mo diya, listen.